Bought a drone yesterday and nearly had a disaster. Low battery came on, was returning to home. All it did was getting caught up in the trees. I was panicking big time. Anyway, a little bit of prop scratches and scrapes, and you probably see it on the footage, but yeah, it survived. They're pretty far tougher than I thought they would be. The problem I had was that the low battery return to home signal came on. It was supposed to fly up to a safe height. It was actually under a tree canopy when that happened, and just kept flying straight up into the branches. As you can see, I was crapping my pants trying to override the function, which I eventually did. Got it hovering, run around and rescued the drone. Amazing, didn't suffer any major damage. Safe to fly another day. Here we go. See if we can get this thing to take off. Probably should read the instructions first. But what the hell, let's just fly. Fly! Woo! This is the first drone video I've put together, and I just thought it would be an amazing way to get a different view of some of the country that we hunt and fish and travel through. I'm pretty excited. The footage is incredible. My flying skills not so good at the moment, but I'm sure it'll get better, or hopefully it'll get better. But these little drones are just incredible. Like, look how good that is. Be interesting to use it to find animals. It'd be interesting to see how the animals react to the drone. Pretty excited to see all that. But as for now, this is a start, and hopefully I can get some good content for my channel. Definitely looking forward to it. Thanks for watching. How easy is this? We just say go home, we'll bring it home. I think. Okay, it's coming home. Goes up to a height and should be coming back. How amazing is this? Just thought we'd use it for, I don't know, get some different footage hunting, and coming down. How easy is that? DGI. Love it. Low battery. Low battery. Better bring it home. Come on, baby. Nice.